Today we are going to learn about mastering GitHub Actions for C/CD, focusing on setting up, customizing, and implementing efficient C/CD pipelines using GitHub Actions. GitHub Actions is a powerful tool that allows developers to automate workflows directly from their GitHub repositories. By mastering GitHub Actions, teams can significantly enhance their C/CD processes, leading to improved efficiency and reduced manual errors. In this video, we'll explore how to set up, customize, and implement C/CD pipelines using GitHub Actions. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this session is designed to provide you with the knowledge and practical skills needed to automate your development workflows effectively. To begin with GitHub Actions, the first step is setting up a basic workflow file. This file is written in YAML and defines the workflow configuration for your repository. Start by creating a new file in the .github/workflows directory of your repository. The structure of a YAML file is hierarchical, consisting of jobs and steps. Each job contains multiple steps that run commands in your workflow. You can use predefined actions from the GitHub Marketplace or create custom ones to suit your needs. An example of a simple workflow might include steps to check out code, run tests, and build your application, providing a robust foundation for any C/CD pipeline.
Event triggers are at the core of GitHub Actions, as they define when a workflow should be executed. Common event triggers include push and pull _request, which are activated when code is pushed to a repository or a pull request is created or updated. Scheduled triggers allow workflows to run at specified times using cron syntax, enabling tasks like nightly builds. Manual triggers can be added using workflow_dispatch, giving developers the flexibility to run workflows on demand. Additionally, custom events can be defined for more specific automation needs. Understanding these triggers is crucial for creating efficient and responsive C/CD pipelines. The GitHub Actions Marketplace offers a plethora of pre-built actions that can accelerate your workflow setup. These actions are reusable components that perform specific tasks, such as checking out code, setting up environments, or deploying applications. Popular actions include actions/checkout for code retrieval and actions/setup node for setting up a node.js environment. Integrating these pre-built actions into your workflows simplifies the process of building complex pipelines and ensures reliability by leveraging community-tested solutions. An example implementation can demonstrate how these actions seamlessly fit into a C/CD pipeline, enhancing productivity and reducing setup time. While pre-built actions cover many use cases, there are scenarios where creating custom actions is necessary. Custom actions are beneficial when you need specific functionality that isn't available in the marketplace. There are two main types of custom actions: Docker-based and JavaScript actions. Docker-based actions offer flexibility by allowing you to run any code inside a container, ideal for complex tasks. JavaScript actions, on the other hand, are lightweight and suitable for tasks that can be accomplished with Node.js. Once developed, these actions can be published and shared, enabling collaboration and reuse across projects.
Secrets management is a critical aspect of deploying applications using GitHub Actions. Secrets are used to store sensitive information such as API keys, passwords, and tokens securely. In GitHub, secrets are stored at the repository or organization level and can be accessed in workflows using the secrets context. To ensure security, it is essential to follow best practices, such as rotating secrets regularly and minimizing their scope. An example of using secrets might involve securely deploying an application to a cloud provider, ensuring that sensitive credentials are never exposed in your workflow files.
Parallel and matrix builds are powerful features in GitHub Actions that optimize pipeline execution. Parallel builds allow multiple jobs to run simultaneously, reducing the overall time required for a workflow. Matrix builds take this a step further by generating multiple job configurations based on specified parameters, making it possible to test across different environments and configurations. Configuring matrix builds involves defining variables and their possible values, which GitHub Actions uses to create combinations automatically. An example could illustrate how matrix builds enable testing of an application across multiple versions of a programming language and operating systems, ensuring compatibility and robustness. Adhering to best practices in C/CD workflows is crucial for maintaining efficiency and reliability. Keeping workflows simple and modular ensures they are easy to understand and maintain. Utilizing caching mechanisms can significantly reduce execution time by storing dependencies and build artifacts. Minimizing secrets exposure involves using GitHub secrets judiciously, ensuring they are only accessible where absolutely necessary. Conditionals can be employed to add flexibility, enabling workflows to respond dynamically to different scenarios. Finally, continuously monitoring and iterating on workflows allows teams to refine their processes, adapting to new requirements and technologies for sustained success. In conclusion, mastering GitHub Actions is an invaluable skill that can transform your development workflows through automation. We've covered the essentials of setting up workflows, understanding event triggers, using pre-built and custom actions, managing secrets, and optimizing pipelines with parallel and matrix builds. By integrating these concepts into your projects, you can enhance your C/CD processes, leading to faster delivery and higher quality software. We encourage you to experiment with GitHub Actions in your own projects and continue learning to unlock their full potential. Thank you for joining us on this journey to mastering GitHub Actions for C/CD.